Hey there guys, and welcome to my course. Hey there guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you how the course is going to work, how we're going to hold the Rubik's Cube, what the different parts of the Rubik's Cube are called, and how we'll be solving it. So be sure to watch this video the whole way through. It's not very long, but it's extremely important if you want to succeed in solving the Rubik's Cube. So first let's understand the different pieces. We have edge pieces, which you can see at the top. We then have corner pieces, which you can see in the middle, and they are highlighted, the ones that we're talking about. And then you can see the center pieces. Now the center pieces never change. So the centerpiece that has the blue centerpiece, you will be making blue all around that. That's the blue side. The orange centerpiece is the orange side. So you'll be making orange all around that. Now, this isn't necessarily the most important bit of information, but it's still good to know that the centerpiece colors are always opposite each other. So white is opposite yellow, blue is opposite green, and red is opposite orange. The colors are actually very similar, red and orange, blue and green, white and yellow. So they're opposite each other. So that's just a bit of good information to know. Now this bit is very, very important because this is the basis of how we will solve the cube in the videos later to come. Each cube we're going to give a side, we're going to give it a name. So this way we can easily establish what's what when we are doing the video. Now to put this in perspective, just imagine you're holding the cube with the white at the bottom. Okay? So if the white's at the bottom, then we have the right side, which is on the right face. We have the left face. We have the up face, which is the top. We have the down face, which is the bottom. We have the front face, which is the face facing you. And we have the back face, which is the face facing away from you. So it's very, very important you remember all these all the letters here for the faces. It's not very difficult. If you're holding the cube with the blue at the bottom, then you know the green is your up face. And if you're holding with the white at the bottom, you know the yellow is your up face. So it's very simple. Clockwise and counterclockwise. During many of the steps, there will be times when you will need to do a clockwise turn or a counterclockwise turn. When you need to do a clockwise turn, you will only see the letter you need to turn, e.g. R. This means turn the right face clockwise. When you need to do a counterclockwise turn, you will see CC after the letter, e.g. RCC. This means turn the right face counterclockwise. Now, this is how you hold the cube. Make sure you follow the video so you can clearly see how to hold the cube. For the first two stages, the white side should be on the top, facing the ceiling or the sky, wherever you're sitting. For the rest of the stages, the white side will be at the bottom, facing the floor. Each turn we will do is going to be a quarter turn. So a 45-degree turn. Here is an example of what a sequence of moves will look like in the videos that will come next. So you could see D, CC, R, CC, R, R, U, CC. This means down counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, right clockwise, right clockwise, and then up counterclockwise. So once you memorize the moves, which it took me a few hours to memorize them, but I'm sure you'll be able to do it exactly the same, if not faster. Once you've memorized the moves, everything will just flow into place and be extremely easy for you. So now you're ready. Thank you very much for watching this instruction video. You should be ready to start the video step by step to learn it. But first, I ask you to take a short quiz in the next lecture, just because this will help you remember the different faces, what they're called, maybe the different colors, what's opposite what, and just a few questions which you don't have to do, but if you really want to remember this off by heart and not have to use this every single time you want to solve the cube, it would be good to know. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck.